In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt for language translation. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone curious about diving into multilingual conversations, using Chatgpt for translation is a straightforward and effective method to broaden your horizons. To begin, you'll first want to open Chatgpt. If you haven't already done so, head to your internet browser and navigate to the Chatgpt application. Once you're in, you'll see a few options. You can either start a new chat or pick up right from where you left off in an existing conversation. For translation purposes, it's all about what you find more convenient. Just make sure you're in a chat window where you can type in your queries. Now simply ask ChatGPT to translate your text. It really is as easy as typing. Just enter the text you want translated into the chat window. To ensure that ChatGPT knows exactly what you need, be sure to include the language you want your text translated into. Clarity is crucial here, so explicitly stating your target language will help ChatGPT deliver accurate results. Next, you'll want to consider the tone of the translation. Sometimes the context in which you're using the language will require a more formal tone. Imagine writing a professional letter, or a more informal one for casual conversations. Tell ChatGPT which tone you prefer so it can tailor the translation to fit the context appropriately. When dealing with lengthy texts, accuracy is key, but can sometimes be compromised by too much information at once. A helpful tip is to break down long pieces of text into smaller segments. This technique not only preserves accuracy, but also makes the whole process more manageable both for you and ChatGPT. Even after you receive your translation, you might feel that something sounds slightly off or not exactly what you intended. Don't hesitate to ask ChatGPT for alternative translations. Often there are multiple ways to convey the same message in another language, and sometimes it only takes a slight tweak to make it perfect for your needs. ChatGPT is here to help, and its ability to provide these alternatives is a feature many users find incredibly useful. With these steps, you have all the tools you need to make ChatGPT an invaluable resource for seamless and effective language translation. So dive in and explore the wonderful possibilities of multilingual communication with a simple and intuitive tool right at your fingertips.